So you buy the box of these,
Yeah.
and they're empty,
Yep.
and then you just fill them up.
Yeah.
Where do you buy something like this?
Anywhere, gas stations, stores.
Really?
Tobacco
So they're
shops.
empty,
Yeah. There's a bag of tobacco and wool.
and then you just buy the tobacco,
Yep.
and you fill them up yourself, right?
Yep.
Now, do you keep them for yourself or you sell them?
Keep them myself.
Wow, that's a whole lot. Have you made some already?
Yeah. We'll find a dry tube.
Oh, okay. Oh, and then that's the thing that you... How do you do it? Show me.
Hold on. Let me try to find a good tube.
Uh-oh, that one's kind of bent. You need a better one, right?
Yep. Oh, got a good tube in here.
They're all a little bit smushed. So you stick it in there and then... Oh! And that's...
The best one I ever rolled.
Wow, let me see the finished product. Wow, that's pretty good. And it's cheaper, right?
Yep.
It's cheaper than buying them at the store, right?
Pretty much.
Right. Well, they're gonna be feeding if you wanna come inside and eat, all right?
20. I'll be in there in a few minutes.
So how long have you been staying out on the street now?
About 4 days.
Oh, okay. That's not too long. I've known some that have been out on the street much longer.
Yeah.
Now, what has that experience been like?
Let me tell you right now, if I knew whoever steal my phone, they have a nightmare.
What's that?
I said whoever took my phone, they having a bad nightmare.
Oh. Now, this is your bike, right?
Yeah.
It looks like it's been in the rain or something. It's rusted.
Yeah. Somebody gave me this one. Somebody stole my other one.
Oh, okay. Someone stole your bike and someone gave this to you.
Yeah.
Does it still ride good?
Yeah, when I find a bad tire for it, yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow, look at you. You're resourceful. You make your own cigarettes.
Yeah, most of that done some.
But look, a lot of your things are on the floor.
Yeah, the bad ones.
Oh, you throw away the bad ones?
Yep.
If they get smushed, then they're no good anymore, right?
Got to cook to like 10 and 10 cents.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm glad you like the donuts, okay? And if I were you, I'd go get in line to go eat, okay?
I will.
Make sure that you get some good food in your stomach. Now, does your family know that you're out on the street?
Yeah, my mom in Tennessee. I'm up here.
Your mother's in Tennessee?
Yep.
And she knows you're out here on the street?
Yeah.
Does she worry about you?
You wouldn't see it when I get hold of her. Yeah, she always.
Did you say someone stole your phone?
Yeah.
Oh, that's terrible. How did that happen?
Had it over there. Woke up this morning, it was gone.
Oh, okay. All right. Now, I know they have a charger, or they used to have a charger.
They still do.
So these are your things right here.
Yep.
And you had your cell phone out here and someone just took it.
Yeah.
You need to be careful about stuff like that because, you know, they're always stealing things from the homeless.
Yeah, I know.
Right?
I ain't the first time my phone's got stolen, my bicycles.
What happened to your bicycle?
I think back there, somebody walked off with it.
Oh, they stole that also?
Yeah.
Oh.
A good one.
Sweetie, do you believe in God?
Yeah.
You know He's been looking after you, right?
Already know.
Yeah. All right, sweetie, come inside and eat, okay? So you don't miss out on the good food.
Yeah, I will.